Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12X and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and as you can see right now we are in the standard photo mode. So now we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, so let's tap on it. And as you can see, we have to take a look at this second option bar, which is connected to the timer, and here we've got, let's say, 4 different options from which we can choose. So we've got the option turned off, so when the timer is not set, but we've got also 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So all you have to do in order to set the timer is to tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick 10 seconds. As you can see, it is immediately highlighted, which means that it has been immediately applied. So we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on, your device will count down from 10, and after that time, it will take a photo. Okay. The photo has been taken, and of course you can pick also 5 and 3 seconds delay, so it will work the same. Just tap on it and the shutter button, and the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 3. Of course, we can turn off the timer just by tapping on this icon, and if it will be, let's say, highlighted in this light gray color, it means that you've applied this option, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Xiaomi 12X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.